Now, the Council deliberated on the state of affairs in our nation, especially the issue of our food supply and shortage of food on the table of many Nigerians. And after exhaustive deliberation, the Minister of Agric had earlier been directed to ensure that food is being made available to Nigerians, and the understanding is that about 20 trucks of rice has already been supplied to each of the states of the Federation, including the Federal Capital Territory. Each of the trucks, of course, is carrying about 1,200 bags of 25 kg rice. This is part of the measures that government is taking, in addition to so many other ones, to ensure that the hardship being experienced by Nigerians is drastically being ameliorated. So for recap, each of the state governors has received 20 trucks of rice for onward distribution to the most vulnerable. This is a first step, and government will continue, the federal government will continue to support all the state governors, the local government, all the subnationals, so that the hardship being experienced by most Nigerians in terms of shortage of food supply is bridged. It is expected that the state governors will go ahead to distribute these food items to the most vulnerable, so that the hardship, like I said, being experienced will be brought down significantly.